Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we will discuss the 3 best fruits to include in your breakfast for kidney detoxification. Additionally, as a special treat, we will delve into 10 additional crucial fruits that can significantly enhance the health of your kidneys. Please make sure to watch the video all the way through, as I guarantee valuable information will be shared with you. Our kidneys, often overlooked, work tirelessly day in and day out to purify our bodies by eliminating toxins and waste. Similar to how we maintain our skin for good health, it's important to give our kidneys the care they deserve. The food we select, particularly in the morning, can greatly contribute to this. If you aim to kickstart your kidneys in the morning, you've come to the right spot. Stick around until the end, as I'm about to reveal an amazing kidney detox juice recipe that you won't want to miss. Before we proceed, let's delve into the top 3 fruits that can aid in cleansing your kidneys when included in your breakfast. Your kidneys will thank you, trust me. Are you prepared to dive in and discover more? Let's get started. The third item on our list is the humble apple. Consuming a daily apple can offer benefits beyond simply helping you avoid visits to the doctor. It could also be a wonderful companion for your kidneys. Apples are rich in fiber, aiding in the removal of waste from the body, reducing the strain on the kidneys, and enhancing their functionality. The special quality of apples lies in their pectin content, a type of fiber that assists in lowering cholesterol levels. Lowering cholesterol decreases the risk of kidney problems and helps maintain stable blood pressure, which subsequently benefits kidney health. Apples contain small amounts of potassium and are rich in anti-inflammatory compounds. To maintain the health and happiness of your kidneys, consuming apples can be highly beneficial due to their ability to alleviate various kidney issues caused by inflammation. An added benefit of apples is their low glycemic index, as they gradually release sugar into your bloodstream. This is especially advantageous for individuals with diabetes, as the condition frequently impacts kidney health. Incorporating apples into your breakfast is simple and can be done in various ways. You have the option to consume them whole, dice them for your morning oatmeal, incorporate them into a delicious yogurt bowl, or blend them into a smoothie. For a change of pace, consider apple compote or baked apples sprinkled with cinnamon as a delicious and nutritious choice for breakfast. Blueberries take the second spot on our list, being small yet potent fruits packed with vital nutrients. The bright blue color of these small gems comes from antioxidants known as anthocyanins. What distinguishes anthocyanins from other compounds? These defenders are powerful in fighting against free radicals, unstable molecules that can harm our cells, leading to aging and various diseases. Reducing oxidative stress is essential for our kidneys to prevent inflammation and related issues. Yet, blueberries provide benefits beyond anthocyanins. They contain a range of antioxidants like vitamin C, which enhances the immune system, and manganese, crucial for enzyme activities. These nutrients collaborate to guard against health risks and diminish inflammation, which is often linked to chronic diseases and kidney issues. One more outstanding aspect of blueberries is their fiber content, which aids in digestive health, regulates blood sugar, and manages cholesterol levels. This is advantageous for our kidneys since stable blood sugar reduces pressure, enabling them to operate more effectively. Picture beginning your day with these nutrient-packed berries. You can add them to cereal, stir them into oatmeal, sprinkle them on yogurt, or mix them into a smoothie. For a delightful surprise, consider preparing blueberry pancakes topped with honey or maple syrup. The tangy sweetness of this delicious treat not only pleases your palate, but also offers a nutritious beginning to your day. Pomegranates are at the top of our list, known as a superfruit renowned for their positive impact on kidney health. These fruits contain high levels of antioxidants like punicolagens and anthocyanins, which help combat oxidative stress within the body. Oxidative stress can lead to inflammation and damage the kidneys, making its reduction essential. Pomegranates are particularly good for the kidneys because their high antioxidant content provides strong anti-inflammatory benefits. Chronic inflammation can speed up the progression of kidney disease, so anti-inflammatory foods like pomegranates are important for slowing it down. Moreover, pomegranates aid in increasing nitric oxide levels in the body, crucial for supporting the health of blood vessels. To maintain proper kidney function, it is essential to ensure the blood vessels that support filtration remain healthy. Pomegranates also have potassium, which is good for the kidneys when consumed in moderate amounts. For individuals with kidney problems or dietary restrictions, it is crucial to consume pomegranates cautiously and seek advice from a healthcare provider. Adding pomegranates to your breakfast adds a delightful and creative touch. Sprinkle these gem-like seeds on cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or savor a glass of freshly squeezed pomegranate juice. The sweet and tangy taste of the fruit not only elevates your dish, but also offers a plethora of nutrients that are advantageous for kidney well-being. Stay tuned as there is more to share with you today. I have found more essential fruits that are beneficial for kidney health. Afterwards, I'll demonstrate how to create a detox juice using the fruits we talked about. Let's look at other fruits that can improve your kidney health. 1. Apple. Apples are excellent for maintaining kidney health. They are composed of around 85% water, which helps in supporting optimal kidney function. Ensuring proper hydration is crucial for kidney health, and consuming apples can aid in achieving this goal. The findings are backed by research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Apples are also rich in potassium, an essential mineral for kidney function. Even though excessive potassium intake should be avoided, a medium-sized apple can offer approximately 5% of your daily requirement, as per the USDA food database, which can be beneficial for your kidneys. Apples offer more than just water and potassium benefits for your kidneys. They are also rich in dietary fiber. Research published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases has shown that a high fiber intake can lower the risk of kidney stones. Fiber aids in waste elimination and reduces the risk of kidney stone formation. Apples are packed with antioxidants, flavonoids, and polyphenols, providing additional health benefits. These help shield your kidneys against damage from oxidative stress and inflammation. Moreover, apples are packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamins C, A, and K, crucial for supporting kidney health and overall well-being. Indulging in apples is not just delicious, but also a great way to support your kidney health. 2. Grapes. Grapes, available in shades like red, green, or black, are great for kidney health and detoxifying your body. They contain a significant amount of water, crucial for supporting the proper functioning of your kidneys and effectively removing waste from your body. What makes grapes distinctive is their rich content of antioxidants, such as flavonoids and resveratrol. These compounds aid in reducing inflammation and protecting your kidneys from damage. Grapes can help increase urine production because of their water and potassium content, which assists in detoxifying the body. Grapes are good for managing blood pressure due to their potassium and polyphenol content. This is beneficial for your kidneys. Additionally, grapes have low levels of oxalate, making them helpful in preventing kidney stones. Studies indicate that the antioxidants in grapes protect your kidneys from harm and help alleviate kidney-related problems. Additionally, they promote urinary tract health by preventing infections and maintaining proper function. Eating grapes, whether fresh, dried as raisins, or in juice form, is not just delicious, but also a nutritious way to support your kidneys. 3. Cranberries. Renowned for their vibrant red hue, cranberries play a vital role in supporting kidney health and detoxifying the body. These properties make them especially efficient for these specific objectives. Cranberries prevent urinary tract infections due to their proanthocyanidin content. This prevents specific bacteria from adhering to the lining of the urinary tract. They also include citric acid, which prevents kidney stone formation by preventing minerals from sticking together. These fruits are essential for preventing specific types of kidney stones. Cranberries are packed with antioxidants such as vitamin C and other phytonutrients, which combat oxidative stress and inflammation that can be detrimental to the kidneys. Cranberries can also increase urine production, helping remove waste and toxins, thus promoting kidney function. They contain anti-inflammatory compounds like flavonoids and polyphenols, which can decrease inflammation and lighten the workload on the kidneys. The potassium found in cranberries aids in regulating blood pressure, which is crucial for kidney health. Furthermore, the components found in cranberries could support a balanced gut microbiome, which is beneficial for both general health and kidney function. Having a well-functioning gut is crucial for maintaining good health in general, which also includes the health of the kidneys. Finally, the abundant vitamin C content in cranberries boosts the immune system, guarding against infections that may impact the kidneys. Integrating cranberries into your diet not just enhances the color and taste of your dishes, but also provides a tasty method to promote kidney health. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries, known as a superfood, offer significant advantages for kidney health and support natural detoxification processes. Extensive research highlights the benefits of blueberries for these reasons. One of the main advantages of blueberries is their significant level of antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. These antioxidants are very effective in fighting oxidative stress and inflammation, which can harm your kidneys. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2012 emphasized their efficacy. Anthocyanins in blueberries also contribute to regulating blood pressure, which is crucial for maintaining kidney health. This assistance aids in alleviating strain on the kidneys, safeguarding these essential organs. Blueberries help reduce inflammation because of their flavonoids, which can relieve stress on your kidneys. This phenomenon has been addressed in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry. Moreover, they can hinder bacteria from attaching to the urinary tract, which aids in preventing urinary tract infections that may affect the kidneys. Another advantage is that blueberries contain low levels of oxalate, lowering the likelihood of developing kidney stones. Additionally, the anthocyanins found in blueberries may assist in controlling blood sugar levels, which is advantageous for individuals managing diabetes. Adding blueberries to your meals is not just tasty, but also beneficial for maintaining kidney health. 5. Cherries. Consuming cherries is a great way to support kidney health. Cherries act as natural cleansers for your kidneys, assisting in the quick elimination of toxins and waste, promoting optimal kidney function. Cherries, rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, catechins, and flavonoids, safeguard your kidneys against free radical-induced damage. These potent compounds shield your kidneys against harm induced by free radicals. The potent anti-inflammatory properties help decrease swelling and relieve the burden on your kidneys, leading to improved functionality. Cherries' potassium content is essential for regulating fluids, electrolytes, and blood pressure, which are vital for kidney health and functionality. Recent studies, like the one released in Arthritis and Rheumatism in 2012, suggest that cherries have the potential to reduce uric acid levels in the body. This is important because elevated uric acid levels can contribute to the formation of kidney stones and worsen conditions such as gout. There is also evidence suggesting that the anthocyanins present in cherries may offer protection against chronic kidney disease, highlighting the significant benefits cherries can provide for your kidney health. 6. Strawberries. Strawberries provide more than just a tasty flavor. They also offer important advantages for your kidneys. Rich in antioxidants such as polyphenols and vitamin C, strawberries are essential for protecting your kidneys against damage caused by free radicals, a phenomenon referred to as oxidative stress. Additionally, strawberries promote increased urine production, which helps in the natural cleansing of your kidneys. In addition to boosting your immune system, the vitamin C in strawberries supports collagen production, which enhances the structure and function of your kidneys. What distinguishes strawberries is their high ellagic acid content, known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This makes strawberries effective in protecting your kidneys from inflammation and associated issues. Integrating strawberries into your diet offers more than just a delightful flavor. It also serves as a great tactic for preserving kidney health. 7. Pineapples. Pineapples are fantastic supporters of kidney health with their juicy sweetness and vibrant yellow color. One of their key components is bromelain, an enzyme well known for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Bromelain functions to decrease inflammation in the kidneys, which in turn supports their health. Pineapples are a great source of vitamin C, an important antioxidant that protects your kidneys from oxidative stress, which can potentially damage their function. Vitamin C also strengthens your immune system. Pineapples, with their high water content, can help detoxify your body by aiding in flushing out toxins. This natural process helps maintain kidney hydration and promotes smooth functioning. Furthermore, pineapples are a great source of manganese, a mineral crucial for many bodily functions, especially those important for kidney health. Their fiber content is beneficial for your digestive system, supporting your kidneys indirectly by promoting effective nutrient absorption and facilitating the removal of waste. Even though pineapples contain potassium, the amount is moderate, making them a safe option for individuals who must monitor their potassium intake because of kidney issues. Opting for pineapples in your diet goes beyond enjoying their delicious flavor. It's also a smart choice to promote kidney health and detoxification. 8. Watermelon. Watermelon is not only a beloved summer treat, but also a highly effective hydrating fruit, essential for maintaining kidney health. Watermelon's significant water content at approximately 92% is essential for maintaining healthy kidney function. Proper hydration is crucial for enabling the kidneys to effectively eliminate toxins and waste from your body. Eating watermelon can greatly increase your kidney hydration, which helps in purifying them. The distinctive feature of watermelon is its citrulline content. Citrulline helps in the production of arginine, a compound that relaxes and widens blood vessels. Excellent for promoting a consistent and healthy blood supply to the kidneys. The bright red color of watermelon is due to lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects your kidneys from harm caused by free radicals. Enjoying a refreshing slice of watermelon isn't just a delight for your palate. It's an excellent method to keep yourself hydrated and supply your kidneys with vital nutrients and assistance. 9. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are considered a superfood, praised for their delicious flavor, as well as their abundance of nutrients that support kidney health. With their alluring ruby red seeds and sweet juice, pomegranates provide a wide range of advantages. Out of these, their notable feature is the high antioxidant content, specifically punicalagins. These antioxidants are effective in combating harmful free radicals, protecting your kidneys from oxidative stress damage. Pomegranates contain natural compounds that help reduce inflammation throughout your body, including in your kidneys. By reducing inflammation, pomegranates help to optimize kidney function. Additionally, pomegranates promote healthy blood circulation, a crucial element as kidneys depend on strong blood flow to effectively filter waste. Adding pomegranates to your diet not only brings a burst of taste, but also offers important assistance and purification for your kidneys. 10. Papaya. Papaya is not only a delicious and tasty fruit, it is notable for its health benefits, particularly for the kidneys. One of its key components is papain, a powerful enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Nevertheless, the advantages of papaya go beyond papain, as it is rich in vital nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, and dietary fiber. Vitamins A and C function as powerful antioxidants that fight against harmful substances in the body, protecting cells, including those found in the kidneys. Folate plays a crucial role in kidney health by supporting the production of glutathione, another potent antioxidant that protects the kidneys. Moreover, folate assists in the breakdown of homocysteine, an amino acid whose elevated levels can damage the kidneys and increase the risk of heart disease. Adding papaya to your daily diet not only delights your taste buds, but also strengthens your body's defenses against heart disease, kidney issues, and various health concerns. Enjoying papaya is a pleasant way to enhance your overall health, including the welfare of your kidneys. Nature provides a wide array of options for promoting kidney health, transforming our path into a delicious adventure. Each of these fruits not only pleases our taste buds, but also offers vital nutrients that are important for our kidneys. Let's keep in mind the significance of moderation as we incorporate these nutrient-rich foods. For individuals with specific health conditions, it is crucial to consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Now, for those who have been waiting, it's time to prepare that detox juice, an elixir to cleanse your kidneys. Are you ready to make a refreshing drink that's perfect for supporting kidney detox? There you are. Firstly, start by coring and slicing an apple. Then, take a handful of fresh blueberries. Next, extract the seeds from half a pomegranate. Lastly, include a slice of watermelon for added hydration. Remember to add ginger, a wonderful anti-inflammatory ingredient. Opt for either water or coconut water to achieve the ideal consistency. After collecting your ingredients, blend them until smooth. If necessary, adjust the consistency by adding more water or coconut water. Once mixed, pour your concoction into a preferred glass and relish its invigorating flavor. Add a sprinkle of pomegranate seeds or a mint leaf for an extra touch, then indulge. This blend merges the detoxifying properties of our top 3 fruits, giving your kidneys a nourishing lift. While this juice is an excellent complement to a kidney-friendly diet, it's crucial to keep in mind that it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Keeping a balanced diet, staying hydrated, engaging in regular exercise, and scheduling routine health checkups are essential for maintaining overall health and supporting kidney function. See you in the next lesson, and take care.